Aerospace applications require welds in titanium, Inconel, and other high-performance materials where precision is critical. The TATE orbital welding machine excels in delivering high-strength, low-defect welds in complex geometries. Used for hydraulic lines, coolant systems, and structural tubing, TATE ensures your welds withstand vibration, temperature shifts, and high pressure. With automated weld cycles and detailed traceability, compliance with aerospace standards is seamless. Elevate your aerospace manufacturing with TATE orbital technology. Contact us today.